Want to customize Shopify themes? In this video, I will guide you on how to customize Shopify themes. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and search Shopify. Then head over to shopify.com. Make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to click on the online store option. From here, select themes. Now you will find the option of customize. Go ahead and click on that. Now the Shopify editor will be shown. From here, you can easily customize your theme. As you can see, this is the preview of how your website looks right now. You can change the view from desktop to mobile by clicking on these icons over here. You also have this drop down. You can select pages from here. If you want to select the product page, you can select it from here. Now, if you want to customize your home page, select home page again. On the left-hand side panel, you can edit everything from here. There are different sections based on your website. There is header, template, and footer, so you can edit anything that you want from here. If you want to edit header, click on that. From here, you can change logo, you can change menu, you can also change the search options over here. You can also change the appearance and colors. So go ahead and customize whichever option you want. If you want to add a new section, click on Add Section option, then search for the section that you want to add. Now go ahead and enter the details for your section. You can customize the text, paste a link or search. You can also change font size, weight, letter spacing, and case. Now, if you want to remove this, you simply want to click on the Remove Block option. Now you can add block or add section from here. Once you have done your customization, you can click on the Save option. And in this way, you can easily customize your theme on Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.